Hello everyone, Jabenda here. In today's video I have a very popular and dimple lock, which is the ABUS D10. This was my second dimple lock in my lock picking career, and I remember that it posed a lot of difficulties for me. The lock has 6 pins in the main stacks and the passive pins located on the top of the keyway. I'll do gutting after picking and then show all the internals, but before I do that I will say that all the pins in this lock are tapered, so the ones that are already set will be pushed out by the spring when we're trying to set the next binding pin. Therefore, it is important to remember that whenever you are dealing with taper pins, you should go back to each previously set pin and correct it. If the feedback disappears and there are no binding pins, it means that one of them has dropped slightly or one of them is overset. Due to the quite tight and complicated keyway, a curved flag will work more effectively in this keyway. Alright, so let's pick this lock and we will see what it is inside of this lock. Alright, an ABUS D10. So the tensioner, counterclockwise tension, and we are looking for binding pins, number 6. Right. Now number 5 and correct number 6. Number 3 is binding. No, it's binding. I had to correct 5 and 6. Alright, 3 is set now. Number 2 is binding. Alright, let's check. 5 and 6 are good. 3 are good. Number 1 is binding. Alright, and we have a false set. So pin number 4. And we have an open. Okay. So now let's cut this lock. Right, here we have two passive pins. Put them here, and key pins. Right, here we have one pin from here. This is some anti-drill protection, I think. Alright. Now drivers. And springs. Here we have the housing. With the groove for the passive pins. Okay, so let's check the internals. In chambers 4, 5 and 6 we have very long spools. And in chamber first, second and third we have standard pins with very slightly tapering, but in all key pins we have used by ABUS in ABUS locks torpedo key pins, which they are also slightly tapered. At the end, each of key pin is a torpedo key pin, so if you do an overset you can be a little confused, because they will give us a little core rotation during pushing the pin. Here we have the core with the key pin chambers. Here are the passive pins chamber, and this is the anti-drill pin, I think. So that's how it looks. The key, here we have the beating, so pin number 1 and 2 are quite high cut. Pin number 3 is low lift, number 4 is high, and number 5 and 6 are pretty low. So these two spools with this low cut was not effective, in fact. Alright, so I think that will be all from this lock. If you have any questions, please leave it in comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and be good. Cheers.